There is a cat on the roof. Here is a book for you. Here is an idea we can try. Here is a pencil for you. Here is a bag I found. Here is an umbrella. Here is a chance to improve. Here is a note from your friend. Here is an invitation for you. Here is a letter from Dad. Here is a jacket you left. Here is an answer to your question. Here is a gift for your birthday. Here is a map to help you. Here is a cup of tea. There is an owl in the tree. There is a movie on TV tonight. There is a phone ringing. There is an ant on the wall. There is a storm coming. There is a student in the room. There is an orange in the basket. There is a bell at the gate. There is a man at the door. There is an elephant at the zoo. There is a light in the room. There is an egg in the fridge. There is a bus at the stop. There is a dog in the garden. There is an apple on the table.